Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.1.3. The first step is you need to check if you are connected to the proper router. You can check it out here on the right under your Wi-Fi settings. And as you can see, I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link Wi-Fi router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. Go to the search bar on the left and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now type in ipconfig and press enter. And under the default gateway, you can see your router's current IP address. So you can just copy it, press Ctrl C, and now open any web browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. And here in the address bar, just paste that IP address and press enter. Now you can see the login page of your router. For the username, just type in admin, and the same for password, admin. And click on login. Now you have successfully entered the admin panel of your router. Here on the left, you have all of the settings. So now, for example, if you want to change the IP address of your router, you can click on here on network, click on LAN settings, and here you can edit your IP address. Once you edit it, you can just click on save. Once everything is done, you can just log out from the admin panel. And that's everything for today. Thank you for your attention. Please do not forget to subscribe.